This tutorial will show you how to unload materials on the 6100. Position your truck into the appropriate unload area. This may consist of backing into a salt dome, or wherever your supervisor dictates. The vehicle will need to be stationary before we can progress to the next step. Although not mandatory, this may be a good time to apply the parking brake. To enter unload mode, navigate to the menu pane of softkey buttons. The softkey panes are labeled on the left-hand side where shown by the blue arrow. If unload mode has been enabled by your supervisor, there will be an unload button available on the triangle soft key. After you press the unload soft key, the unload menu will appear. In this menu, you can select which material you would like to unload. This example is configured to allow unloading of granular and pre-wet materials. However, you may have more or less selections depending on your truck's configuration. For this example, we will unload granular material by highlighting Granular Unload using the navigation joystick and then pressing Enter. Within this menu, we will select the rates at which the truck unloads at. The initial default rate is 0% for the auger and the spinner. We will turn the auger conveyor rate from 0% to 100% by twisting the white navigation joystick clockwise. We will also increase the spinner speed from 0% to 10% by twisting the blue dial. Once the unload area is clear, engage the truck's PTOs if equipped. Pressing the green button will start unloading. The status on screen will change from off to running. If the truck is equipped with an auger feedback sensor, RPM will also be displayed. You may find it beneficial to use the truck's cruise control to increase engine RPM to obtain maximum speeds. The rates can be adjusted on the fly while unloading is in progress. The vehicle can be moved or repositioned during unloading, but unloading will become disabled if speeds of 5 miles per hour or greater are reached. When unloading is complete, press the green button to halt the auger conveyor and spinner. With the system halted, the status will change from running to off. From here, the navigation joystick can be pressed to the left to return to the previous menus. To summarize, you can unload leftover material in the Unload menu. The material you want to unload will be chosen within the menu. From here, you can select the rate at which the material unloads. Unloading will stop by toggling the system into standby mode.